Juna Khatiya is an early Harappan burial site located in Lakhpat Taluk, Kutch district, Gujarat. The site was discovered by a team of archaeologists from Department of Archaeology, University of Kerla in 2016. This burial site is measured to cover an area of 16 hectares and now renowned as the largest early Harappan burial ground in the country. The initial exploration of the site yielded ceramics similar to Amri region and means it can be roughly dated from 5200 to 4600 years before present. Recognizing the archaeological potential of the site, Department of Archaeology, University of Kerala obtained permission from Archaeological Survey of India, and the site was excavated in 3 seasons: 2019, 2020 and 2022. A total of 197 burial features were unearthed at Juna Khatiya, which includes 116 burial structures, 45 pit burials, 17 burials with cluster of pottery and 16 clusters of stones. The burials were built in different shapes like rectangular and oval kind, few narrow boxy kind of structures, and double-chambered burials were also observed. One of these double-chambered burials is also noticed with a child burial. The acidic nature of the soil prevented the preservation of most of the skeletons. The excavators able to recover a complete skeleton from one of the trenches, which is now exhibited at the museum. A total of 1000 plus vessels were excavated, and among them 500 plus complete vessels were excavated and displayed at the museum. The burial pottery from the site includes ceramic shapes like dish-on stands, beakers, large pots, cup, etc. Some of the large pots have vessels placed inside them, which is a peculiar feature observed at this site. Apart from the ceramic assemblages, other artifacts such as bead made of shell, steatite, carnelian, lapis lazuli and terracotta were excavated at the site. Shell bangles of varying sizes were also discovered from different burial structures. Potsherds having Harappan script have also been collected from the surface exploration. There is also no specific burial orientation followed by the Harappans at Juna Khatiya. These burials were oriented towards multiple directions at the site. A radiocarbon date of a shell bangle fragment dated to circa 4850 years before present confirms early Harappan period of the burials. In the excavations, animal skeletal remains were also unearthed by our team. Even though the burial ground is 16 hectares, no habitational site is documented at the immediate vicinity of Juna Khatiya. To answer this intriguing research question, the Department of Archaeology, University of Kerala conducted an intensive exploration in the surrounding regions. This resulted in documenting 3 potential habitational sites, Dwajagat located around 5 kilometers from the site. Here the surface exploration is met with early Harappan ceramics and habitational structural remains. From the beginning stage of explorations and 3 seasons of excavations at the site, the villagers of Khatiya are extremely cooperative and enthusiastic. The further research activities at Juna Khatiya consist multiple facets of Scientific studies such as DNA studies, scientific dating, ethno-archaeological research, and future excavations at the nearby habitation sites to further understand the nature of Harappan settlement in this region.